Welcome to somycrafty channel. I'm here for my lovely viewers with an elegant pair of earrings and pearl beaded pendant. We have to make this earring. First we will start with the one 10 pearl bead, which is a stone bead, and we picked with this bead 6 white pearls 3 size. Now after making double knot, we have started. We passed through the whole of 10 and now we have to add more 6 pearls, and we are passing through 10 hole. And now after passing through all beads pearls, we have to add here 2 more pearls to complete this round. 2 more pearls we have to add here. In this way, total 14 beads are here. Pearl beads are here around 10 Now we have to start next step, next round. We are adding 2 silver seed bead etto. These are faceted beads. We pass through 1 pearl, we skip 1 pearl, and now we have to add 2 more here to next bead. This pearl we are adding 2 more seed beads, silver seed bead etto. Now we will do this step 7 times. Skipping 1 pearl, we will add each time 2 silver seed bead etto, and total 7 times we will add silver seed beads, and in this way we will complete this round. I hope you will learn clearly and easily. I am doing all steps very slowly, and the main purpose is learning. So now we have started next round. We added 1 seed bead etto silver, 1 pearl, and 1 seed bead clear white seed bead 11. Skipping 11, we pass through pearl, and then we pick 1 more seed bead etto, and now we add it. You can look in this way we have added. Now we picked 1 more pearl with 1 seed bead 11, and now we have to add it here between previous rounds seed beads etto silver. Between 2 silver seed beads, you can see we are adding this 1 pearl white pearl and with 1 seed bead 11. In this way, this bead will be in the middle of seed beads etto, and this bead will be prominent between these beads, silver beads. Its direction will be to upper side. Now skipping 1 seed bead, we are adding another pearl, now again we have to add here 1 pearl with 1 seed bead between previous rounds silver seed beads. Passing through these beads, we will add this pearl, and in this way we will add the same beads in the same way And now in this way we will complete our round. So keep doing this, repeating this process. I hope you would like this pearl beaded earrings, and at the end I will show you how can you make a pendant with the same pattern. So this is very easy but very elegant, so don't forget to watch clearly and watch fully if you want to make for yourself these earrings. Very elegant silver seed beads with white pearls, and in the middle we used one 10 mm stone bead. This is stone bead with silver stones. Sparkling look of the stone is making our earrings very cute and elegant. Now the step is to add one ear wire. We have to add it with total 4 seed bead ito, in 2 in start and 2 in end. In the middle ear wire is there. Now we added it, and now we have to reinforce earring and seed beads. We are passing through the silver beads. Now we have to make some knots, finishing knots on its back, earrings back. We have to make some finishing knots, and then we will trim extra thread. In this way our earrings making will be complete, and then we will show you how to make a pendant. Following the same pattern, we can easily make a pendant as well. And even you can make the following steps. You can make a ring, finger ring, you can make with the following these steps. So now we find the threads end with lighter. Now it's ready, earrings are ready, our elegant earrings are ready. White pearls with stoned bead in middle. So this white and silver beauty, I hope you would like. Here we have the same pattern, beaded part, and we inserted a jump ring instead of ear wire. Here instead of ear wire we inserted an jump ring, and now we have to add here a silver chain, any chain, silver chain of your choice. Even beaded chain can be added here. With beaded with pearls you can add a chain. Now you can see how easily we make it, and not difficult, very easy and very quick and fast to make this project is. And I hope you would like to make it. You must try. And I have here showing you, I am sharing you with this project's videos and pics. Final looks of today's project are here on your screens. Don't forget to watch. Don't skip these videos. I make with love, and enjoy these pics with different color background. I make these pics and videos with different colors background, and I will remind you, my lovely viewers, don't forget to subscribe, like, share your channel, your own channel make it successful with your views and your subscriptions. I need your views, I need your subscriptions and comments, so don't forget. And take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself and your family. COVID-19 tension days. Keep I must say, keep yourself busy in doing such a positive activity like jewelry making. So your time will be passed very happily. So be creative, be happy, and be positive. I will say bye now. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.